Hi guys, today's July 1st, 2022, and today's special day is International Chicken Wingding Day. So, you know what that means, right? Yeah, I had to cook some wingdings, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to cook up some wingdings for dinner. And I'm going to use my air fryer. I'm not going to I'm not going to bake them. I'm not going to fry them. I'm going to air fry them. And they turn out so yummy and so crispy. And I'm also going to do wafer fries. Or waffle fries, sorry. Waffle fries. I'm going to use them also in the air fryer. That way they get nice and crunchy too. So that's our dinner tonight. So come on. You guys going to help me cook here? Who's doing dishes? You. Over there on the left. Left side. Yeah, you. Come do dishes. That's your turn. Obi's going to be a taste tester. If anything drops on the floor, he'll be sure to taste it. And Boo will just be ready to eat it. So, and I hope you guys are liking this videos that I'm doing where it's International or National Day. I normally do a lot of Disney content, and I've kind of moved away from Disney because of the politics that are involved with Disney. Not liking it. I'm not liking how Disney is trying to get rid of anybody who can afford to go, you know. Well, the prices have gone up so ridiculously high on things. I mean, last week there was a mug that was $25. I looked at it yesterday. It's $30 now. So they keep pinching and diming us here and here, and it keeps getting more and more. So I needed something else to do, and I'm at home all the time. There's days that my illness will not allow me to leave the house, so I'm stuck here. And if I can do up some of these videos for National or International Day, I want to do that, and I'm going to bring it to you. We also have some other fun things that are coming too, so I hope you really like this. And if you could just hit that subscribe button, that helps me gain my viewers, my subscribers. And the higher my subscribers go, the more I am featured on other people's YouTube. So when they go on YouTube, I will become a suggestion to them or a recommendation for them to subscribe and follow me. So that's all I ask, is that you subscribe and you watch my videos. Comment down below, and yeah, tell me how you like to eat your wingdings, or chicken wings, you know, in sections, you know, they're wingdings. That's all. That's what we've always called them, wingdings. So how do you like yours? Comment down below, and also maybe even tell me, what do you normally prepare when you make chicken wings? That's another one you can answer down below. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, you can comment down below too on that, and I will see what I can do. Meanwhile, I'm seasoning my chicken. Let's go. Alright, so I got them in here draining. I just seasoned the top of them. I got to shake them around, get the seasoning all around, make sure I get all the water out. My air fryer's here, which, let me open it up. Nothing's in there right now. No oil, no nothing's needed in there. I'm just going to turn this all the way up to get it hot and going. I will go ahead and throw just a little bit of olive oil on the chicken. And that's all we're going to need. Are done. So I'm gonna say goodbye to you so I can eat my wingding. Happy International Wingding Day. See you guys. Oh, if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Mwah. You want some chicken?